So I will wait for 1-2 minutes lah, because your friends still joining. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we'll start now. So later people who joined, they can continue from there. Okay, so I'm Cikgu Param. I think I'm handling standard 1 there. So you all standard 2 and 3, right? Okay, some standard 2 or 3 maybe know me because they joined my class last week, right? Okay, so today we will do revision what we learned in last month. Okay, the whole last month, May, you learn a lot of things. Okay, so basic things about the scratch. So we are going to do revision on that. Okay, then after this, you are going to answer quiz also. Okay, so the quiz is only mainly about what you learned in past 4 weeks. Okay, so now I'm going to do revision, and inside the revision there's a hint for your questions. Okay, so please pay attention lah. Or you want to take notes also can take notes, because it's up to you. Or you can remember, it's good, you can remember it. Okay, so I'll go from beginning, first day class until the last week class. We go one by one. Okay, so if you want answer questions, you can turn on mic. But if like just now previous class happened, everyone turn on mic, it is become echo already. So most of the questions I'll ask you to type the answer. Just type in the chat box. You all know how to type, right? No, where's the chat box, isn't it? Okay, anyone? If don't know means then you can turn on and tell me the answer. If know the chat box, just type there. Easy. Everyone can see. Okay, so for first class, for the starting, I'll share my screen. Hold on. Okay, let's wait. If you can't hear my voice or screen not loading, please let me know. Sometimes I cannot see. I won't realize because I'm sharing. So I won't see your faces here. So it happens sometimes. Okay, it's loading for 1 minute. Is anything appear on the screen? Check, huh? Oh, it's loading, still loading. Show me. Notify me. My screen is loading. Okay. Can see, right? Okay. So somebody please turn on mic and tell me. Is it okay? Can see or not?
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Fine.
Can
Fine.
see.
Fine. Okay. Sorry because I cannot see your faces there because I'm on the sharing screen. So anything happened, my voice lost or this picture lost, please remind. Please just give me a call. Okay. So this is the first part that we learned. Okay. So I enlarged a bit, make it bigger. Okay. So this is actually positioning. Okay. So whenever we do coding, okay, we must know the position where we want to move our character here. Okay, before that, what we call the character? Because the character got specific name. Who knows what's the name? Any character we put in the stage here, there's a name. What is the name?
Sprite.
Sprite.
Yeah, very good.
Sprite.
Very good.
Sprite. Sprite.
Okay, okay. Good, good.
Sprite.
Okay, it's a sprite. Okay. And how about the screen here, the stage here? What do you call the stage here? Who knows? What is the name of the stage?
Backdrop.
Yeah,
Backdrop.
okay. Okay, good. It's a backdrop. Okay. So, for Scratch, backdrop and the sprite, both are very important elements. Okay. So, why we are doing Scratch? Actually, we want to do, we want to show people, okay, our presentation. It's actually a presentation. Okay. So, you want to present something like in a story, let's say. You want to make a story. Okay. So, we can make a story using background and the sprite. Okay, and always remember the background and the backdrop and the sprite must be matching. Okay, let's say you choose underwater background and suddenly you put bear there. Is it relevant? It is logic.
No,
No
sir.
logic at all.
So that's why sometimes logic
It's,
also
it's
very
not even
important.
a logic.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay, you must always make sure the backdrop and the sprite are tally, they're relevant. Okay, underwater must be the underwater creatures there lah. Don't put the humans picture. Can put human, let's say it's a diver, can lah. Okay, so don't put bear or don't put butterfly, because sometimes when I ask you, I teach you about movement, I will always tell people, okay, choose whatever sprite you like, choose whatever background you like. So then people will choose underwater and they will choose butterfly. And logically it's wrong. Okay, for fun can lah, but when presentation cannot like that. So it must be logically correct. Okay, all right. So that's this just a suggestion for you. Okay, yeah. What I'm going to teach you, what I'm going to revise with you is the position. Okay, so a stage, the stage for the this scratch, it has what they call limitation. Okay, it has a limit. Okay, a sprite can move in either x direction or y direction. Okay, it can move x or y. Okay, movement along the x. Do you know what is x, right? This line, okay, this the orange color line is the x and the blue color line is the y. Okay, so movement along the x would be from 240 positive 240 to negative 240. You all know about this, right? Yeah, first class, during the first class I think the trainer taught you about this, isn't it? Yes, someone reply, yes or no? Are you hearing me? Anyone can hear, right? Hear me, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Time to time, this just give me
Yes.
one feedback, so I know you're there. Okay. So you all know about this, isn't it? X and Y. So today we want to do revision on positioning. I mean the movement of the sprite. Okay, based on the this one we call as a coordinate. Okay, or position. Okay, based on the position, we can set the movement. Okay, so this cat can move x until 240 to the right or negative 240 to the left. This one we call as movement along the x, okay, x line, x axis. Okay, for the y movement, it can go 180 to the up or 180 to the down, negative 180 lah we call it. Okay, now when the cat is in the middle, the position, center position is 0 0. Okay, 0 0 will be in the center. Okay, now my question. Okay, positive, negative. You know what that, right? Positive, negative. So for the x movement, when I say positive movement, it will go to the right. Positive movement always go to the right, and negative movement always go to the left. Okay, you all know this, right? That's why if you look at here, it has numbers 100, 200. So no symbol means positive. But when it becomes negative, it has a minus symbol. Minus 200, minus 100, or we call it as a negative 100, negative 200. So the negative indicates the movement is to the left. Can follow right, huh, so far? Oh, I'm too fast. Anyone? Tell me, is it okay? Can follow?
I can follow.
Okay, good. Now,
Can follow,
for the
sir.
Y movement, moving to the up is positive. Okay, moving to the up is positive. Moving to the down will be negative. So moving up positive, moving down will be negative. Okay, moving up positive and moving down will be negative. Okay, these four information is very important when you make coding. Okay, so I have question. So I give you a point. You tell me what is the x value, what is the y value. Okay, let's say we took about this point, the cross point. This line and this line crossing at the middle here. Okay, this point. Okay. What is the x value? What is the y value? Who can tell me for this point? From where to read the points? No, no, no. Anyone? Do you know where to read? Okay, no reply means don't know lah. Okay, so for this point, you look down here. Okay, how much the x point, x value? How much?
Oh,
I already
100.
make a box for you. Yeah. Then how much
100.
the y value? How much the y value? Y value must read here because x value must read in x
100.
axis. Y value must read in the y axis. Yeah. So both are 100 and 100. Okay. So x is 100 and y will be another 100. So the position of this circle is 100, 100. So when I type 100, 100, for the cat, let's say the cat will move to there. Okay, this we call positioning. Okay, now I put another one. Okay, I put another one. Maybe, okay, this position. See who can tell me. What is the position? So what you must look? You must see the value of the y here and value of the x here down here. So how much can read? How much the x value? Anyone?
I know, sir.
Okay, how much? Somebody type ready. Okay.
The x
Give me the
value,
x value.
the x value 200.
No, it's not 200. You miss something there. When move to negative, when move to the x left hand side, it should have negative, right? So
Yeah.
here it has a negative value. So it should be negative 200. Okay, yeah, all giving the answer. Okay. All right. How about the y value? Okay, how about why look at here this box?
100. 100.
Is 100. Very good. So
100.
the position for this, position for this is x negative 200, y is 100. So this is how we read the position. Okay. Next, I give you some more. Let's say the movement will be okay. Let's say I take another color. Choose orange color. Okay. How about this? How about this? Okay. How about this position? X how much? Y how much?
Okay.
Who knows?
I know.
X, suppose you look there. Okay. Just give me a reading.
X
Yeah, many people are typing answer. X how much?
X 200.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Yeah, movement to the right is positive. Okay, next, Y.
Negative 100.
Yeah, movement to the down, right? So move to the down will be negative and move to the right will be positive. So X in this side, X always positive. That side X negative. When the up there, Y positive. When come down, Y will be negative. Okay, so this is what we got at final. Okay, you can see here. So the positioning, so the movement always depend on X and Y. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, what you learn positioning first week. Okay, so now still in the same
So
part,
this
same positioning, but we are going to do, yeah, the screen bigger, yeah,
okay. Yes.
or lost our screen.
Yes, it's not lost.
Now you come, now come again,
Okay.
Okay, so this part okay or not clear? How to write positioning mean X and Y. So we can move our sprite whenever we want, and we see the no in a scratch. I show you here. I go to scratch. Okay, let's say this is scratch, right? I make it bigger. Okay, we can move our sprite whenever we want. Okay, let's say I move my sprite over here. Okay, and look at the reading here. You can see the reading. You can see X and Y.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
when I'm asking you, okay, what
Yes,
is
sir.
so when I ask you,
X
okay,
equal
what is
to
the
what?
position? How much?
X equals to minus 179 and then Y equals to 87.
7. Yeah, good. That's a position. Okay, I move the cat again to somewhere else. Okay, how much now?
X equals to minus 83, then Y equals to minus 118.
Okay, so you notice or not? When I put in this box, the small box here, this range, we have 4 box, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So when I put the cat in this box, both will be negative, negative. Because why? X is in left hand side and Y is in the bottom side. So here, this is the borderline. From above there, Y positive, below here, Y negative. And this is the borderline for the X. Go to the right hand side is positive, go to the left hand side negative. So here the position is left and bottom. Left and bottom. So both will be
Bottom.
negative, negative. Yeah. Now I move the cat on this portion. This portion, if you look at here, Y go up ready. So Y part will be positive, but X still in the left. So you can see X negative, Y is positive ready. Okay. When I move to this part, both will be positive because up and right. When I go up and right, both will be positive. When I move this portion, X still positive because X on the right hand side, but Y is in the bottom, so Y become negative. You can see the thing is changing. Okay, so we have 4 portions, so you must know where is positive, where is negative. Okay, so don't worry. This one is while you do, you will learn. Okay, when you're doing the coding part, you learn on this. Okay, now I want to move to the next part. Okay, again, so we take this picture again. Okay, I want to show you. Okay, I make it bigger, so easy for you lah. Okay. All right. Now we are going to learn about the sections. So I just now I told you right, left, right. Okay, I show you. Okay. This part. Okay, change color. Okay, red color. Okay, this portion. Okay, we call as the right hand side. You know, right? This is right, and this should be left. Oh, this one. Okay, then I change another color. Okay, the blue color is the left and the red color is the right. So you all know right, left and right, huh? There should be no issue on that. So I type also for you. This is right and this is left. Okay, so we have two parts. We call right hand side. We have left hand side. Okay, and how many corners are there in this diagram, in this picture? How many
Four
corners we have?
corners. Four corners.
Okay, we have four corners. Yes, we have four corners. So on right hand side, we have two corners. On left hand side, we have two corners. Okay, so the upper part, the upper side, we call as a top corners. Okay, the upper part we call as a top. This is top. Okay, lower part, what we call? Lower part. You know? So no, huh? Okay, bottom. Okay, the lower part we call as a bottom.
Bottom.
Yeah. Okay. So now you can look at here. I label the corner as like this. The corner A. Okay, this is the corner A. This will be corner B. This will be corner C, and this will be corner D. Okay. Now you tell me. Okay, I will mention some position. You tell me it is in A, B, or C or D. Okay, all right. Bottom left corner. A, B, C, or D. Bottom left corner.
B. B.
D donkey. See, you know bottom, you know
D,
left.
D.
So the corner. Yes, very good. Okay, next one. Top right corner.
B. B.
B.
Okay, you
B.
know ready. You know ready. Okay, now A. What we call A?
Top left.
Top left. Top left. Top left.
Left. How about C? How about C?
Bottom.
Bottom.
Bottom right.
Bottom right. Right.
Clever. Okay, so this is what you should know, because while later you will form some question on this, movement on this. So you should know when I ask you, okay, move to the top right corner. You should know where is the position actually. Okay, so this part clear, huh? No question on this, huh?
No question.
Clear? Anyone have a question on this? Anyone still don't understand? Please let me know. Okay lah, huh? Okay, huh? So if okay means we leave here, we go to the Scratch platform itself. Okay. Now, when come to Scratch platform, the main important element I said what? Sprites and backdrop. So these are the icons for sprite. This is icon for backdrop. Okay. Now, recently have some issue. Okay. Like, okay, here you have motion, right? These are the coding blocks. We have some few blocks here: motion, looks, sound, events, control, okay, sensing, operator, variable blocks. My blocks. Okay, this one, your own block later you can create. Okay, recently we only use motion, event, and control. Okay, looks, sound, sensing, operator, all we not touch yet. In coming weeks we'll do. Okay, so recently one issue happened. Okay, so one of your friend told me, sir, I cannot find my this one, what you call the motion block. See, suddenly motion block is gone already. What happened? What happened to the motion block? Looks got, sound got, other even all blocks disappear. But motion don't want to appear. Who know how to fix this problem? Anyone experienced this problem before? Motion block missing. No, nobody has this problem before.
I got this problem before.
How you fix this problem?
You have to wait for a while.
Okay. How long? 1 hour.
No, 1 minute maybe. Maybe 1
Okay.
minute.
Okay. So while discussing, we give
Sometime,
1
for
minute.
some minutes. For some
Then
minutes.
so it cannot be like that because it's missing means there must be a reason, right? So how to find the reason? Because why
Yeah.
I'm showing this, few students experience this problem and they don't know how to solve and they keep on saying, when I ask, okay, who got problem, who scratch problem, they raise hand, my scratch problem. They say they want to change computer because got problem with the scratch. Then what problem with the scratch? They said no motion block. It's not a problem with the computer. There's something missing. That's why the motion missing. Okay. All right. Now I explain to you. Listen. Okay. Motion block is only for your your
The
sprite.
sprite
Okay.
is not there. The
That's
sprite
the
is
reason.
not there.
Okay. So with stage only, with the backdrop only, other blocks will work, but motion won't work. Okay. So in order to get back your
Because
motion, you have
we need
to
the
choose
sprite.
a sprite. Yeah.
Sprite.
There's a way to settle this problem. Choose the sprite, your problem solved. Okay. Let's say I choose our cat back lah, scratch back. It's loading, taking a while. No way, okay. So where's the cat?
There's a cake. Cat.
Okay. So our cat is here already. Okay. So once the cat
But
appear, motion block come again. So see that, okay? So
yeah.
these are the parts that you should know, okay? So if something is the motion block missing, don't say computer problem. The problem is you mistakenly delayed the cat and delayed the cat, then it's gone. So you must get the cat back, get the sprite back, so you can get the motion block again. Okay. Next tips. Next tips. Okay, how to make the cat bigger and smaller? I want this cat become smaller. Oh, I want to make this cat bigger. Yeah, what to do?
You have to here
You have
got
to use
size.
size.
They have size.
You need
So
to
then
change
you have
the
to
size.
you have to change the
Okay,
size
yeah.
to smaller. Yes.
Okay,
yes.
so how much?
Yeah,
Let's say
yeah,
I
Size.
put 50. I put 50, let's
Right.
say. Very good. Okay. Now I put the size 120. Okay, good. It's bigger. Okay. Okay, now I want to make my cat. Okay, my cat have sharp teeth. Angry lah. Angry. I want my cat have sharp teeth. What to do? I want like a vampire teeth come out because it's angry. How to do?
Go to costume.
Okay, go to costume. Okay, go ready.
Nothing is happening.
Next.
After you go to the costume, maybe you have to pull out the teeth.
Okay, we can draw actually, right? We can draw. So we choose color. We click the paintbrush. We choose what color you want. Let's say you want red color. So red also a tone. What color you want? We have a tone. Okay, then
Blue.
draw. Draw.
Vampire.
Draw teeth. It's a vampire cat ready.
The vampire
Oh.
is so scary.
So
I cannot even see the mouth.
here you can see it's appear ready, right?
Too
So the
scary.
cat and vampire. This is how we modify, manipulate. So we have a sprite. We can modify the sprite. I mean, we can put a wing also. Okay, you can have a horn also. Can do. Okay, this is how we are doing. Okay, so coding is here, costume is here, and we have one more we call as a sound. Okay, the sound block actually to give cat sound. Okay, but you can't hear the sound because I'm using. Can you hear not the sound? Cannot, right?
cannot.
No, sir. No, sir.
Because I'm using
No,
headphone.
sir.
I take out my phone. You see. Now can, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
now can.
Yeah, I can hear cat sound, teacher. Sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
even you can record your own sound here. Okay, you can record. See here we got icon. You can click. You can click record, or you can upload your sound from other file. You download from Google, save to your computer. From there, you can upload also. Okay, so these are the things appears here as a new thing for you. So because you're standard 2 and 3, so quite a big student, so I'm teaching all these things to you. Okay, so later you free time you can try with the scratch. Okay, now we come back to our lesson. Okay, that we learned last week. Okay, you already learned doing making coding using motion, event, and control. Okay, can you tell me in motion what are the blocks you used before? Move 10 step. Do you use this one?
Yes.
Use ready
Yes,
or not?
sir.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay,
We use
good.
a lot of time.
7
Yes,
plus.
sir. We already use.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, go to.
Yes.
Go to. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, go to
Yes,
is a
sir.
very important block. Okay. Go to is very important block. Why is very important block? Why? Anyone can tell me why?
So that you can fix the X and Y.
Okay, fix X to Y, but not really on that. Okay, let's say we want to start anything, we must start with the green flag, right?
Yes.
So
Yes,
is
sir.
there any other
Yes,
any
sir.
other option? Any other option? Let's say I don't want green flag. Can you use anything other than that?
When space key
Hmm?
press.
So you don't
When
want the green flag, you can also use space key, or you can use the when the sprite click. So I bring my mouse, I click the sprite, and the coding will start. There are so many options here. So you will look on this all, okay? But coming weeks lah, because we have almost about 2 3 months for this program, Scratch only. So we have you will encounter all this in future. Okay, now we go starting with the green flag only first. Okay, the easier one. Okay, so I click green flag, and I click move lah. Okay, move 10 step. I click ready. So maybe I put 100 lah. Move 10 means I have to click so many times. Okay, 100. See what happened to my cat. Moving. Okay, I stop ready. Why my cat don't want to come back? What to do?
You have to put if edge bounce.
Oh,
You have to
you want
put
to put
if edge bounce.
bounce. Okay. Now I'm asking, I want my cat come back to starting position. I say here. What should I do?
If edge, you have to put the block if edge bounce.
The one is okay about movement. My question, whenever I press green flag, I want the cat come back to original position. What should I do?
You have to
Like
pull
this
it.
one just now. The cat. So you have to pull it. Okay. If I have to pull it every time, then I no need to do coding lah. So I can move the cat using my mouse there. I can move my cat there. I can move my cat there. So no need to coding. So we should do coding. Make sure the cat come back to original position. So which block you have to use?
If edge bounce.
Okay, the one is for the cat walk straight and come back straight. Okay, my question is whenever I press green flag, my cat must start from here or start from here. Let's say my cat is there ready. I want my cat come back to here. I don't want to use mouse. I want to click green flag. How? What block should we put to set position? Just now we say position, right?
Go to X Y.
Very good. You must use the coding block. Go to XY. So how to set? Okay, bring your cat. Let's say my cat. I want cat in this box. Yeah, I leave my cat in this box, and I will drag go to XY because why? When we put cat here, the position is already appear. Negative 149 and negative 116. It's already appear, right? So it's automatic will show here. It automatically will show. So you just drag and drop. So let's say I my cat is go there ready. When I click, come back position. My cat is there ready. When I click, it will come back to original position. So we need this to make sure the cat come back to original position. Okay. So go to is very important block. Okay. Let's say my cat. I want to make my cat move to the top in this box. What should I do? I want my cat from here move to this box.
Go um
Go
mm,
to. See
go
through.
to
So I try.
XY.
No, it's not moving. When I put go to, it's not moving.
You have to change that one.
Which one?
Yeah. The go to X is go to X minus 136, Y 118.
No, I want my cat start here. From here, it move to the top. Moving to the
Glide.
top. So
Glide.
moving. Ah, very good. We
Glide.
must use the glide. Okay. So in order to use glide, remember, okay, simple. You can bring the glide and type the position also can. Or simple way, move the cat first. Okay, move the cat first. When you move the cat, you see the position here, negative 146 and 120. Yeah, it automatically will appear here on the glide. It automatically will change. You don't need to type anything. Just move the cat and put the coding. Now you see when click green flag, the cat is moving. See or not? So you can make
Okay.
any position you want. You can make any shape you want. The thing is move the cat, move the sprite first and bring the glide. Okay. Next, let's say my cat move downward little bit like this. Okay, then automatic the position will change here, and you see the glide also changed. Automatic change because the scratch detect automatically the changes. Okay, now you see the movement up and down. Is it right? Okay, next movement also, let's say I want to bring it to the top. Okay, I put here my cat, I put here, position change again, and here also automatic will update. So I put here. Okay, then I click green flag. You see what happened. The cat is chasing something. I don't know what it is. Okay, then next one, the cat is moving downward. Let's say position automatic will change. So bring the glide also same. So you can notice the position here and here will be same. What movement is that? Moving in something according to what? What shape? Who can tell me the shape? Anyone can get what shape is that? It's a letter actually. What letter?
Y.
N.
Huh? Is it Y? See
N.
again.
N. N.
Uh, it's a M. Okay, now I want this cat move continuously. What should I do? Moving non-stop. What block should we use? Anyone knows?
You need to click the forever
Yeah, where is the forever? From which drawer actually?
in
Control.
Uh, yeah, it's in a control. So if you look at a control, we have a wait block. So wait block means we want the cat, tell the cat to wait. Okay, let's say I add the wait block here. I add the wait block here. Okay, I add the wait block here. See what happened after each step. The cat will wait. It will wait. It will wait. Wait and go. See that? So I put 1 second. It wait 1 second. I don't want 1 second. I can change it. Let's say 0.5. So it become 0.5 means half second lah. It little bit faster lah the one. 0.5. So see what happened. So we put wait block so we can see the changes clearly. Okay, change the position, you can see clearly. That's why we must put the wait block. Okay, so just now I said what? I all said forever, right? Okay, put forever. Okay, so once I click my green
We have
flag,
to put forever.
yeah, see the movement.
Ooh.
So the cat is chasing something lah. So you can
Chasing
add
the
another
mouse.
sprite. You can add
Chasing
the
the mouse.
sprite. So you can make it like a chasing lah. Okay. So this is a movement. Simple movement, but it's look nice one. Okay. So already introduced about the forever and also wait block. Okay. Now what is the function of repeat this block? Any of notes? What is the function?
Repeating.
Repeat.
So
Repeat
what is
time.
the
Repeat.
what is difference?
Repeat.
Okay, difference between forever and repeat. What is the difference?
Forever means it just runs for a catch forever. Then repeat means it repeats 10 times.
So for forever, you cannot set how long it need to repeat. But for the repeat, you can set how many times you want the cat move. Okay, let's say
Yes.
here I put 5 times. Okay, I put 5 and I put the coding inside. So the cat will repeat the movement of making M for 5 times. We count, we count together. You see the movement. Okay, this is first time is going. Okay, so complete 1. Now is the second time is going.
Third time going, fourth
Done.
time going,
Now
fifth time going.
And now 3. No, now number 3 only. M.
Oh.
Now is number 4. Now is number 4. The whole thing is 1. Now last number 5. Then it stopped. See or not? So sometimes we need is a movement for 5 times, 3 times. It's like clapping hands 3 times. Okay, we said 3. If you put forever, it will continuously clapping hands. Okay, so this is the function of these blocks. Okay, so wait, repeat, and forever. Okay, if then else, wait until. You can see the this gray color inside, right? Hollow, right? This one. These all are logics. Okay, later we will combine other blocks and put inside. Okay. Okay, I just show you just simple one lah. Let's say what function of this? Okay, we must use for combining other block. Let's say I want to combine this block. I just bring it. I drop here. Sit inside ready. Other blocks. These blocks all we use for combining blocks. Because sometimes we need to do condition. To give condition. Okay. You cat moves. Sorry. Let's say I put another mouse. So once condition mouse move, then only the cat will move. So the condition block we must use combining. So for that we use this block lah. Okay. So but don't worry, you will not yet learn about this. You will learn in coming classes lah. We have another 10-15 classes I think after this. So learn in that classes. Okay. So your quiz not involve all these things. Your quiz only involve the simple only here. Whatever I teach you, you will face on your quiz. So you will answer in the quiz. Okay. All right. So this is about control done. For even also I mentioned already, we will use green flag only today, but we have some more blocks. You can use all the blocks here. Okay. So all are starting blocks only. When you click, it will start to work. Okay. So motion so far we look ready about move. We'll move, go to and glide done ready. Okay. So just now somebody said edge bounce. We want to do on that. Okay. So I clear everything first. Clear everything. Okay. So I want the mouse is moving. Okay. So even green flag. Okay. Then like just now we want to set the cat moving 10 steps. And continuously moving, we put forever. Okay, yeah, this all you all know already. We put forever, it will continuously moving. Okay. Then gone ready. So how to call back the cat? Somebody mentioned just now. How to make the cat return back? Some of your friend give me answer. Yes, sir. Come on. How to make the cat come back? See, the cat is here. I click green flag. Okay, it's moving. Don't want to come back. How to make it come back?
Go to XY.
No, cannot. Go to XY means it won't move. You see, when I put the go to XY, it won't work here. I stop the cat. You don't want to listen to me. Okay.
H
Let's say I put
bounce.
okay. Now let's say I want to show you. If I put XY, see what happened. It's not
No,
moving.
you have to be you have to take out the forever and put the repeat.
No, same effect also. Both are same effect. So somebody told me just now, if H bounce, isn't it?
Yes, I
I'm
only
waiting
told
the
that.
question.
I only told
That's
that.
I want. Okay, if
Yes.
H come back,
Yes, I got
see?
correct.
But it's come back in no, it's like that. It's wrong, right?
You have there's something wrong with the direction.
Okay, so what to do?
You have to press the
Adding to-
direction. You have to
Okay,
adjust the
so-
direction.
So set the direction, rotation style to left to right.
Oh my god.
See, the cat is turning. It understand already what we want.
Yes,
Okay,
the
so
computer
it
understand what
is
we
moving.
want.
That's why we must tell them in their language. Then only they will understand.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the simple steps that you learn. So from based on this, you can create a story actually.
Yes.
You can make a story, simple story. So be present to people. Okay, we not yet learn about sound, adding sound, all. I think slowly we will put. Maybe next week, starting next week, we'll learn putting sounds lah. Okay, so now we want to make a, let's say a simple story from here. Okay, so choose a background that is relevant, where is you like. So let's say I choose underwater background.
Oh,
Okay, I
you
choose underwater.
have to delete the cat.
Okay, can also. Let's say I choose the underwater.
Take underwater.
So now the cat is in the underwater. Is it okay?
No, it's no logic. You have when the cat got a trash bin, and then they put X. You have to click that, then it's gone away.
So just click the X. The cat will disappear.
And then
Okay,
add a
click
fish.
the X.
Then
Now
add a
you
fish.
can add new sprites. Okay, so you add the sea creatures lah. Whatever sea
Scuba
creatures.
diver. Add scuba diver.
Can also. Okay. Okay. I add the fish first. Then we add the scuba diver afterward. Okay, we go for the fish. Let's say I add the clownfish, huh? Okay, the fish is here. Okay, just now the coding same lah. We put the same coding. We go to even. Okay, green flag, click.
And green flag. Click.
Okay, and go to forever control. Go to forever. Okay, go to motion. Okay, choose 10 step. And edge bounce. Okay, rotation style left to right.
Then you have to take another sprite.
We will add slowly. We will add. Okay, now how to make the fish move faster?
What?
Fish is a lazy fish, slowly moving. I want the fish move faster.
You have to put the move. No. You have.
At timing.
Set rotation style there or left and right. You have to press the arrow.
Which arrow?
And then what? All around.
No, actually increase the steps. Okay, let's say I put 50 steps. See what happens. Okay? Then this fish will die faster if like moving like this. Okay, so we reduce it lah. Yeah lah, of course, because moving like that, no logic. This one is be better. or we move as a 20 lah.
A
20
lazy
will be
fish.
faster.
A lazy
See?
fish. How about 100?
So it's not logic. Okay, so move 20 step in a second. It will move 20 seconds. Okay, now stop first. We add another sprite. Let's say we add the diver.
Yay, scuba diver.
Okay, we add the diver.
What?
So let's say I choose diver 2.
Okay. There's a diver.
Where will it appear? Okay, see the diver. Okay, this diver is smaller than this fish. Is it logic?
No, you have to put the size and you have to put it maybe to 120.
120.
Okay, that is logic. That is logic.
No, this is still smaller. The diver is smaller.
How about 1,000? 1,000.
Then it will go out from this stage. Cannot. Okay. So we increase ready the divers. So still not logic. So we change the fish become smaller. Okay. Fish we maybe make it
maybe 50.
50 will be too small. Make it 70 lah. Okay.
Oh, it looks like a scuba diver want to eat the fish.
So 90 cannot.
Yeah, because
yeah, 90,
it looks like
90.
yeah,
90.
because it looks like scuba diver is going to eat the fish. That's why.
That's the fish gone ready.
The fish are going to catch.
Oh no! Yeah. Oh no, the 80 is too tiny.
So like this lah, you have to play with the size here. So I put 70, so it look like easy. Okay. So now you want to make the scuba diver. Maybe is follow. Okay, you want to catch the fish, but it's not catching.
He's just standing still, relaxing.
Because why? Why you don't want to catch?
Because we never add the code.
Because we never do coding for the diver.
This coding is for fish. Okay, so we must stop, click the diver, put coding to him. So same coding lah. So we go for even. Okay, green flag. Okay, forever. Then go to motion. Okay, so move and if edge bounce, rotation style left to right. Okay, now we see what happened. The diver bit slow because why? He is not a fish. Fish can swim faster, but diver they cannot lah. We are not living in the sea, right? So we have to use energy. So now, is it going to catch the fish?
Yes.
But it's not catching.
It's going
Now
to eat.
I want the diver follow the fish. He follow the fish. Wherever fish goes, he want to follow.
Maybe you have to create your own block.
Fish block is that?
You have to create your own block.
Okay, how to create it?
You have to go to variables.
You've gone too far already. Okay, no need. We have another option there actually. Okay, so instead of using move 10 steps, we can use go to. Use go to, and from go to you choose fish.
Fish.
Okay.
Go to fish. If edge bounce, set rotation now.
You will follow. You will follow where the fish goes. You will follow. You see?
How is it going to catch it? How is it going to catch it?
No, actually, the one later we do, but this one is only for showing that you will follow the fish. Let's say you want to make first sprite, one sprite follow another sprite. You can use this is not go to. move. Wait. Also can lah go to. Okay. Or glide. Okay, glide also can. But here you see the random position. This random position actually you can change it to the another sprite. You can make it moving towards another sprite. Okay, so we can use this option actually. So we don't need to create another new. Here also. Okay, fish. Point toward fish. Maybe we can try with this. Okay, we change it to fish. See what happened to him. See, he's turning only. See, he's turning. He's turning. See that? He always will point towards the fish. He will look the fish. You don't want to catch. You just want to see the fish. So instead of making our own blog, we have some options here. Okay, like the word that we can see the random position. You can click it to change to another sprite. Okay, so we can add some more sprites. We can add another like for example jellyfish. We can add crabs. Okay, you can even make it as an aquarium. Okay,
Scorpion.
so scorpion. How can be scorpion underwater?
There's no logic.
Must be in somewhere else lah. Okay, can also. Okay,
Starfish.
so okay, so this is what actually we are doing past week. So we come here we are using 2 sprites, 3 sprites. Okay, the more sprite you add, it will be more coding you have to do lah. So you must be aware. Okay, so always remember when you do coding, you can refer here. Okay, the coding is you are doing for what, which sprite. Okay, this coding is for diver. So you must know. Some people mistakenly do. They do coding for fish here and for diver also they do here. It won't work. Okay, it must be separate. Diver lah. Clownfish lah. Okay, then backdrop means must click backdrop lah. Click backdrop. The backdrop will appear. Then do coding for backdrop. Okay, the backdrop also sometimes will change. You can make a changing background, all these things. Okay, so this is actually what you learn in your past 4 weeks, right? Okay, so now I have some things to share with you, not the screen sharing lah. Okay, so after this class, you will get a quiz link. Okay, quiz. Remember, you must answer the quiz. Okay, so we will send the quiz link through your WhatsApp, your group. So please click it. Please put your name, your school, okay, and your standard lah, your standard 2 or 3, and please answer it. Whatever we learned here today, the whole lessons is in that. Okay, actually I'm giving a lot of hints ready. A lot of hints here ready. Okay, the answers already actually in the hints there. If you remember what we do all today, all the 1 hour, past 1 hour, you able to answer the quiz. Okay, please answer and submit. Okay, so because why in previous classes yesterday and on Monday classes, other schools, many people they come to class when quiz, they don't answer the quiz. Maybe they forgot. So please do it immediately. Once you got the link, please answer straight away. Can, right? Can, you will answer, right? Don't skip, huh?
Sir,
Yes, sir. Can.
Yeah. I think
I don't have the link. I don't have the
it
link.
will send. It will be sent after this class in WhatsApp. So ask your parents to give to you. Yeah, you have a group, right?
After this class,
Yeah, after this class. Okay.
Oh,
so
I don't know.
Please answer them. Not now. We will send in a group. Then you can click it, can answer. Even by phone also can answer. Okay, phone or laptop. Get the link from your parents and click it and try to answer. Okay, so wait, I stop sharing because the session that's all. Because many people sending a lot of messages. I can't read the message because I'm sharing the screen. There's a problem. Okay, so now only I'm going to read. If any questions, I'll answer now. So
Sir,
you all can follow the thread.
my name is Steve.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Vaidra.
My
Yeah,
name
can
is
hear.
Steve. My name is Steve, and I am at Langkawi, sir. I have to use my father's iPad. So, my attendance may be.
Okay, okay.
Don't give my attendance, sir.
Oh, never mind. It's okay. You can use your father phone also. Can answer the quiz. No issue on that. Okay, because this session is recorded. So after this, it will be sent to you. The link will be sent. You can watch again. Okay, you can watch again the session.
Okay,
You
sir.
can go through the lesson again. Then answer the quiz. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Others. Okay. Others. Any question? Others.
No, sir.
No question, huh? Okay, if okay means I think that's all our classes. So starting next week, we will start again the face-to-face class. Okay, so next Friday we will be there again. So make sure your attendance lah. Don't take holiday, don't take off because if you miss one class, lot of information you won't get. Okay, so please make sure you attend the classes. If no question, I think better we finish our class here. So later anything you can ask in our WhatsApp group also. So don't forget to answer the quizzes. Okay, the link will be sent in the WhatsApp group. Okay, that's all today. Okay,
No.
bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.
Yeah, yeah.
Bye,
Bye-bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.